Can I get a stun gun just to scare away dogs or other animals like coyotes?
I think a stun gun is a perfect option to scare away animals like dogs and coyotes. As seen in the video, the dog is scared just by the sound of the stun gun, and you can also temporarily incapacitate the animal if the need comes. There are over 4.2 million cases of dog bites reported in the United States. With rapidly increasing number of dog bites, it's a good precaution to carry a strong, durable stun gun around. They are loud and scary, which will make any potential threat feel scared and get away from you as soon as possible.